dominoes here every day. The morning, afternoon, especially in the morning, if you don't have a class. But I think we do it because it's culture in Cape Town, specifically in Cape Town. Everyone plays dominoes. So once we saw it, we were like, okay, that is it. That is our thing.
Ek het in tweede jaar begin domino speel in my breuke. Ek het nooit geweet hoe om dit te speel nie. Dit het regtig vir my baie goed dat jy buite die boks ding. En ja, dit is net baie lekker. So as jy daar begin sit, kom speel dominoes.
No, it's a way of us starting to form a circle with new people because everyone is familiar with these dominoes and everyone kind of bonds over it, you know. So it's much easier to form friends with dominoes, and we actually play it in every chance we get. So every time we get a break for at least 45 minutes, we come to the student center, we sit down and we play dominoes as much as we can, and then after that we just go to class. But even though we do play dominoes and we love it, we don't let it stop us from actually attending our classes and falling in love with our schoolwork and doing any other thing. But this is something we do in our spare time, like any other thing. It's like our hobby.